Actor Sidharth Shukla breathed his last in Mumbai today morning. The 40-year-old TV actor died due to a heart attack. The actor had reportedly taken some medicines last night before going to sleep and never woke up.
It's very sad.
सना, आप ये वाकई देखिए शॉकिंग खबर है। कोई भी इस बात पर भरोसा नहीं कर पा रहा है। जाहिर तौर पर आप भी नहीं कर पा रही हैं, आप इमोशनल हैं और क्योंकि आप थोड़ा जानती रही होंगी सिद्धार्थ को और वो फैन कितने दुखी होंगे इसका भी अंदाजा आप शायद लगा पा रही होंगी।
It's very tough to digest यार। मतलब I still can't believe that I've read this on मैं immediately when he told me I googled, I said no आपने कुछ सुना होगा गलत, maybe something else. I just googled and I saw that he suffered a cardiac. So I'm in loss of words to be very honest. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता मैं क्या कहूँ, बस I just hope that उनकी family को हिम्मत मिले and that's all I can say.
I only hope it wasn't stress and pressure. He was doing so well and for the first time अगर मैं किसी TV actor का fan बना हूँ वो है सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला. And I used to tell my children this guy is going to be such a huge actor, such a huge star one day. Very sad. My heart goes to the family. He wasn't even married. His best days were on. अच्छे दिन तो उसके भी शुरू हुए थे. मतलब कमाल.
Many in the entertainment industry point to the pressures of looking good for young stars, which often involves showcasing chiseled bodies and six-pack abs. The constant need to look perfect often taking its toll on health.
आजकल जो ड्रग्स का या वेट लूज कर सिक्स पैक करना ओवरनाइट स्टेरॉइड्स का यूज होता ये सब लोगों को एजुकेट करना पड़ेगा। पहले उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं। अगर मुझे मालूम सिद्धार्थ के केस में मगर तो मैं देखता हूँ मतलब जो न्यू कमर्स आते हैं जैसे मैंने बड़े शोज किया न्यू कमर्स के साथ और उन पे क्या प्रेशर होता है कि मतलब कुछ सर सिक्स पैक चाहिए, सर आज बॉडी शॉट है, सर ऐसा करना है और मैं बोलता हूँ भैया अभी तुम कर रहे हो लॉन्ग रन में तुम्हारे को उसका बहुत भारी वो करना पड़ेगा। तो अब यही है बिजनेस जी। आई थिंक जितना हम लोगों को एजुकेट करेंगे इतना अच्छा। कि
अभी सोचा नहीं था कि सिद्धार्थ के लिए मुझे मॉब में आना पड़ेगा मिलने के लिए। मैं उनको बिग बॉस में नहीं मिला और मैं उनको जिम में मिलता था। हम एक ही जिम में वर्कआउट करते थे, साथ में हेल्थ और बाकी आध्यात्म की बातें करते थे। तो बहुत अच्छा दोस्त मैंने खोया। बहुत फिट था फिजिकली और मेंटली भी। बहुत अच्छा इंसान, बहुत अच्छा कलाकार आज देश ने खोया।
It isn't yet known if Sidharth was suffering from any internal issues. Sidharth in his last tweet had lauded India's Paralympic winners, thanking them for making Indians proud. The popular television actor is survived by his mother and two sisters. He joins a series of young stars who were gone too soon at a young age. His untimely death, a bolt from the blue for his family, friends, and millions of fans across India and across the world. Bureau Report, India Today.
He was very close to his mother. Heartthrob of millions, Sidharth Shukla breathed his last this morning. But what happened the night before his death? The family insiders say he complained of chest pain in the wee hours. Take a look at this report with the details of entire sequence of events.
Between 3 and 3:30 a.m. on Thursday morning, Sidharth Shukla complained of uneasiness. Sources say he informed his mother immediately about his condition, who lives in a separate flat in the same building. When Sidharth's mother arrived at his flat, as per family insiders, he told her about pain and discomfort in his chest. His mother then gave Sidharth some water and asked him to sleep. However, in the morning, when his mother tried waking him up, he did not respond. This is when she called Sidharth's sister, who later dialed their family doctor. After early examination, the doctor declared Sidharth dead and asked the family to visit a hospital. Sources say at 9:40 a.m. on Thursday, an unconscious Sidharth was brought to Mumbai's Cooper Hospital by his sister, brother-in-law, cousin and 3 friends. At 10:15, doctors at Cooper Hospital declared the young actor dead. The news spread like wildfire, leaving millions of fans in mourning. Bureau Report, India Today.
Nobody imagined that Sidharth Shukla at such a young age will go so soon. Sidharth's the postmortem is still being conducted at Mumbai's Cooper Hospital. The hospital authorities have set up a member of the three doctors committee to do this postmortem. It will be videographed as well. Our correspondent Saurabh Bhaktania is still there at Cooper Hospital. Saurabh, by 6 o'clock the postmortem was to get over. What is the situation at this point of time? What are you hearing from your sources? Because the police have made it very clear that till the time the postmortem report doesn't come out, they are not going to come out and say specifically about the cause of death, why Sidharth Shukla breathed his last in the morning today.
Well, absolutely, Sahil. They are waiting for the postmortem to get over. What the sources are telling us that the postmortem is almost over. The doctors are preparing the final papers. Some of the relatives just came out. We are also being told that it's very likely that the final rites won't happen today. It is very likely that it may happen tomorrow. Taking lessons from the previous cases, Sahil, the doctors and the cops as well does not want to take any chances. Then therefore this whole postmortem was actually done under the panel of total 5 doctors. Not just there was a panel of doctors, but also the whole postmortem procedure was videographed. Not just that, Sahil, his body was examined not just once, not just twice, but thrice. Thrice his body was completely examined externally to ascertain whether there was any injury mark or not. But as of now, the Mumbai police officials are clearly telling us that they are not looking into any foul play. The family members have not raised any doubts till now in this case. But once the final rites are over, they will once again take the statements of all his family members, that is our mother, sister, who were present at the last time with Sidharth Shukla. Yeah. And after which, if they raise any doubt, they have any question on this, they will definitely consider and investigate.
Right, Saurabh. As Saurabh was mentioning, the external examination has happened, and right now the police says that there are no injury marks on his body. But of course, they will have to wait till the time the postmortem report is out. And Sidharth Shukla's postmortem report will be out at any moment now. According to the sources, the postmortem was videographed. As Saurabh was mentioning, the 2 cops from Mumbai police are also present there as witness to the postmortem. A team of 5 doctors, as Saurabh was mentioning, are conducting the postmortem. The hospital authorities have made this panel of doctors, as we had seen during the Sushant Singh Rajput case, so that these 5 doctors will finally arrive at a conclusion of his cause of death once the postmortem report will be out. As the case is very sensitive, the doctors and investigators are not taking any chances given their experience in Sushant Singh Rajput case. Everything in Sidharth's case is being checked 2 to 3 times. If family members or anyone raises any doubt, it will be investigated by Mumbai police. They will also investigate whether Sidharth was on any medication and if he took any medicines before sleeping the night before. Mumbai police sources also say that the foul play right now has been completely ruled out because there are no external injury marks on his body. But the family also was asked if there are any doubts, if the family wants to raise any doubts, but family too hasn't raised any doubts regarding the actor's death, who reportedly passed away after suffering a heart attack. We are getting a breaking news right now as Saurabh Bhaktania was mentioning. The sources have told India Today that Sidharth Shukla's last rites will be conducted tomorrow morning or by afternoon. His body will be handed over to the family once the autopsy procedures are completed, and only after that the body will be handed over to the family members. Most of the times the cremation, the family is not inclined to do the cremation after the sunset, and that is also one of the reasons why it's likely that Saurabh Shukla's cremation will happen tomorrow. But before that, the body will be handed over to the family so that they can perform the last rites. But right now we have seen that a lot of his friends are coming down to his residence in Andheri in Mumbai and meeting the family members. My colleague Pooja Shali, tell us those big questions being raised over Sidharth's death. Before that, we have Vidya, my colleague, on this breaking news. Vidya, what are you hearing from Sidharth's friends, his publicist or the family members? What about the final rites? What about the cremation? Because now that the postmortem will be over any time, the autopsy, after the autopsy, the body will be handed over to the family members. But when will the cremation likely to happen now?
Well, a lot of people that we have been speaking to have been saying that it will be probably tomorrow, because post-sunset, most families really do not want to conduct the last rites. In fact, it is already delayed. The sunset has happened, and what we have been getting to know is even the pundits, the people who had come for the last rites, they had also expressed that it could be held tomorrow. But obviously, these are all being said what is hearsay, and certainly the family members will be the ultimate decision makers in this, and everyone's really hoping, because there are a lot of fans here, and Mumbai police is extremely finding it difficult. If I can show you, like Mumbai police here, Mumbai police officials have been finding it extremely difficult to trying to control the crowd, which has been swelling up every few minutes. On that particular portion of the road, you can see a huge crowd just waiting for the mortal remains of the actor to be brought here, so that they can take a glimpse, a last glimpse of, and pay the last respects to the late actor. But certainly there are obviously the friends and family members.
Even if the police is saying that there are no external injury marks and they are awaiting the postmortem report, but still there are some questions which are being raised over Sidharth's death. It's untimely death, such a young actor. Over to you, Pooja.
What we know, according to the hospital, is that the death happened for now due to heart attack, but post-mortem needs to be done. And therefore, big questions remain on Sidharth Shukla's shocking, tragic death. Question number one, what will post-mortem conclude on Sidharth's death? Post-mortem that is currently underway. There's a preliminary post-mortem report that will be made available to the doctors soon. Question two, was Sidharth suffering from any other condition? We cannot speculate or conjecture, but that is what the doctors will want to also refer to when that post-mortem and other details are emerging. Question number three, was Sidharth Shukla on any other regular medication? Remember, according to our colleague who spoke to doctors, he did take a medicine before he went to sleep and did not wake up, and that also is an angle that has come forth. Question number four, what medication did Sidharth take on Wednesday night? That is what the last detail that has come about from people close to him about a medication that he had taken. Question number five, given his fitness, heart attack caused by something else, because he was a fitness enthusiast, is it possible then that the heart attack had some other underlying condition that even he possibly was not aware about? Question 6, will there be clarity soon on cause of Sidharth Shukla's death? And we all hope that clarity comes soon, because we saw what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput's death last year. There were so many conjectures and controversies and no clarity even today.
Actor Sidharth Shukla's demise has once again raised the issue of balancing stress and physical health. The experts suggest that there is a direct link between the physical health and mental well-being, and neglecting either can lead to heart complications and even sudden death due to cardiac arrest. Here is more.
Sidharth Shukla, a successful actor and a reality TV star gone too soon. Sidharth's demise has once again put the focus on mental health.
In our country, we have people coming to us with heart attacks at a much younger age. And it's estimated that in India, the Indians have about, compared to the Western counterparts, getting heart attacks about 10 years earlier. And the major reason, I think, is the stress and our genetic predisposition, along with the various lipid abnormalities, which are not uncommon in our country.
Experts suggest there is a direct link between mental and physical health. Neglecting either of them can lead to heart complications that turn fatal.
900 लोग डेली इंडिया में 40 साल के नीचे इनका मौत होता है, हर दिन भारतवर्ष में मौत होता है। सो ये फिगर बहुत ज़्यादा है और ये प्रीमेच्योर हार्ट डिजीज कहते हैं और इसके कई कारण पहलू होते हैं।
Busy modern day lives have made stress a common element.
Lifestyle changes are a major cause. Our abnormal diet, lack of exercise, and major factor is stress. And stress is coming in different manner. And it may be professional stress, it may be family stress. So what I would suggest is that young people need to take care of their lifestyle. They also need to decrease their stress level.
Doctors say they now see a high rate of deaths among the middle-aged due to sudden and inexplicable cardiac arrest.
Probably हमारा देश यंग हार्ट अटैक में सबसे ऊपर है। हमारे देश में जिनको हार्ट अटैक होता है उनको 10 साल पहले वेस्टर्न काउंटर पार्ट के हार्ट अटैक होता है, उनको ज्यादा मेजर हार्ट अटैक होते हैं और उनको हार्ट अटैक में लाइफ का लॉस होने के चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं।
The sudden deaths of stars like Sidharth Shukla and Sushant Singh Rajput remind us the importance of ensuring not just our own mental well-being but also of those around us. Bureau Report, India Today.
Sidharth started his career as a model and then made his acting debut with TV soap called Babul Ka Angan Chhotina. However, it was his appearances in reality TV shows that made him a household name. Here is more on his journey.
And the winner is Sidharth Shukla.
40-year-old Sidharth Shukla, winner of popular reality show Bigg Boss, is no more. It was the Salman Khan anchored reality TV show that made Sidharth a big name. His fights, his outbursts, his raw attitude.
अभी चुप करके बैठा था ना, अभी क्या हो गया? अभी आग लगी है, अब मेरे को ही पकड़ेगा तू। भोग जितना भोगना ये बात का, और जितना मुद्दा बनाना मुद्दा बना। मच्छर है तू, मच्छर। ये मसलना निकल नहीं ना? हाँ, इसको सवाल है, पागल होगी।
His chemistry with Shahnaz Gill.
भी 1 महीना रह गया और ज्यादा करना। इतना प्यार करके बाहर जाके तुझे मेरी इतनी गंदी आदत पड़े। फिर कहने का मतलब अब गेम में आ रही हूँ।
अबे यार ये।
तू बोल हाँ।
Sidharth Shukla's illustrious career was cut short by his tragic demise. But the TV star had several big-ticket projects lined up, which included music videos with rumored girlfriend Shahnaz Gill, an OTT show with Pankaj Tripathi. Take a look.
And the actor once again was in huge demand, with reportedly 3 more projects in his kitty.
मेरा प्यार काफी है, मैं काफी हूँ।
बहुत मैकेनिकल है, not required.
Am I that easily dispensable?
Everyone is.
According to reports, Sidharth and Jennifer Winget were to collaborate for an OTT project. In fact, both the stars had also agreed to be part of the venture, but were waiting for the official announcement of this. His second project was reportedly a spy thriller for another OTT platform. He was to star along with Monica Dogra and Pankaj Tripathi. Rumours were also rife that he was also part of Om Rod's ambitious pan-India film Adi Purush, which features Prabhas, Saif Ali Khan, Kriti Sanon and Sunny Singh in pivotal roles. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Sidharth Shukla, an actor and even more so an entertainer, his stint at Bigg Boss entertained many of his fans.